Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Weekly, where we dive deep into the latest trends in technology. Today, we're exploring a game-changing development in the world of coding intelligence, DeepSeek-Coder-V2. So what's all the buzz about? Well, DeepSeek-Coder-V2 is an open-source mixture of experts language model designed specifically for coding tasks. Imagine having a smart helper that can tackle coding and mathematical reasoning just as well as, if not better than, some of the top models out there, like GPT-4 Turbo. Let's break it down. DeepSeek-Coder-V2 has been fine-tuned with a staggering 6 trillion tokens, which means it brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. That's like giving a student an entire library before their final exam. And guess what? This model has ramped up its programming language support from 86 to a whopping 338 languages. Makes you wonder how the coding world ever managed before, right? And if you're into numbers, the context length has also taken a giant leap from 16K to 128K. For those who might not be familiar, this allows the model to handle larger inputs, which is crucial for complex coding tasks. Think of it as a first aid kit getting upgraded with every tool you could possibly need. Now, in standard benchmark evaluations, DeepSeek-Coder-V2 outperformed several closed-source models such as Claude 3 Opus and Gemini 1.5 Pro. Isn't that fascinating? This shows there's real power behind making tools accessible and open source, allowing more people to dive into the world of AI-driven coding. So, let's delve a little into the specifics of what DeepSeek-Coder-V2 can do. For code generation, it consistently ranks at the top across various benchmarks, whether you're talking about human evaluations or live coding scenarios. And if you ever find yourself in need of a quick sorting algorithm, DeepSeek-Coder-V2 could whip it up faster than you can say artificial intelligence. But it doesn't stop there. What's even cooler is its performance in math. It's not just working with code, it's getting serious about mathematical reasoning too. The evaluations show it competes admirably against closed-source titans in this area. This is all part of a broader movement in tech where open-source platforms are becoming more capable. Imagine the freedom and innovation that can arise when developers around the world have access to powerful tools without the barriers of proprietary software. Before we wrap up, let's think a little bit about the implications of this for everyday programmers. You may be asking yourself, how can this affect my coding projects? Well, having tools that can assist in generating code, fixing bugs, or even helping articulate complex logic could drastically reduce development times. You could focus more on creative solutions instead of getting stuck in the minutiae. As we close today's episode, I want to leave you with this question. How do you see tools like DeepSeek-Coder-V2 changing the landscape for developers? Should we rely more on AI, or should it simply serve as a companion to human ingenuity? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Weekly. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.